So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an early morning clean. The kids just woke up. It's actually fall break, and we're just going to kind of do an easy morning clean. I like to always start with a load of laundry. That way it can be washing while I get other things done. It has been so cold here, so I feel like I've been piling the blankets up on my bed. I'm one of those people that I'm always cold when I sleep. I wear sweatpants and socks and all of that. What about you? Are you cold when you sleep, or are you a hot sleeper? I'm going to finish my bed by spraying it with my homemade bed spray. This one has a little bit of lavender and witch hazel. Now I'm going to put away the dishes that I washed last night. I typically start the dishwasher before we go to bed. That way when I wake up, all the dishes are clean and we can start again. So I'm going to make these super easy pumpkin muffins for my kids. Only 3 ingredients: a can of pumpkin, a cake mix, and some mini chocolate chips. So you just start by mixing the cake mix and the pumpkin together. I'm using a white cake mix, but spice cake mix is also great. So it's going to be really thick, but just mix it until it's all blended together. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. Next you add in mini chocolate chips. Stir those together, and then you're going to spray a mini muffin pan and fill up the little muffin cups. You're then going to bake at 350 for about 10 minutes if you're doing the mini muffins. I recommend the mini muffins because the bigger muffins, they come out a little dense since this batter is so thick. Just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building. All right, switching my laundry over to the dryer. I'm adding a little bit of essential oils onto my wool dryer balls. I usually put about 2 or 3 dryer balls in the dryer and then let it go. We were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be.
through the night into the morning, building chemistry. And I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me. Talking to the night into the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
I love it when it's a little bit cold outside, overcast, makes for just a nice, cozy morning clean.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard.
So today is Water Wednesday. I need to water all my plants. Try not to kill them. I have a little bit of a black gem.
Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying.